This is the absolute minimum information that you should collect every time you collect a seed.
Meadows, wetlands, mountain alpines. Our community is a nature school of habitat for wildflowers, birds, and insects. The seed collecting workshop is all about identifying wildflowers and harvesting seeds in an ethical manner. Seed collection is just one thin layer in the process to encourage the understanding and preservation of native plants.
A short guideline for ethical collection of seeds, and we'll kind of go over this too. Here's ocean spray.
Knowing your plants is important.
Lovely garden plant.
Ensure you have correctly identified plants from the target plant list by looking for the plants during their flowering season. Flower characteristics are often vital for correct plant identification.
And it has tiny, tiny flowers that are mostly pollinated by tiny, tiny bees and flies. So you see the little green dangly things?
Take lots of photographs with a macro lens if you have one, or take a sample with good examples of the stems, leaves, and flowers. Avoid weeds. Flag, cross-reference with books, and check with professionals.
And they'll germinate in the spring, but patience.
Once you have adopted populations of plants to monitor for seed collection, visit your sites frequently after bloom to determine when the seeds are ripe. Seeds from flowering plants are collected in summer and early fall, when seeds are mature. The window for collection can be a few days to several weeks.
You need to collect it before it starts spitting.
Basic steps to follow when you're collecting seeds. Make sure there is a seed. Complete your collection label. Clip the mature seed heads from the plant. Try your seed. The Kootenay Native Plant Society offers education and support to get involved in a big or small way. Their pollinator guide lists invitations to learn about micro meadows, monarch way stations, lawn to meadow conversion, flower strips in farms, roadside pollinator restoration, and rewilding of parks, fields, and natural areas. A seed collecting workshop is a good initiation into the world of understanding and propagating native plants. It is a helpful step in the building of communities where people and plants can live in a healthy ecosystem.
And now would be a perfect time to collect them. They're overripe. You don't want to take too many because you want to leave some for the birds because they will be eaten all winter. I made the mistake of planting some in my garden a couple of years ago. It's a bully. Some native lupins and some non-native lupins in the world. So this lupin has already split its pods. So there's no seed to be collected there.
So, and the thing here is that, so this is an ephemeral wetland. There's marsh systems in here. Oh, look, there's it. Look, there's it. So it moves with the wind. And they're really good pollinator plants. All kinds of butterflies and native bees like this. And I don't take all of the seeds. I just try and take not even a third, because you want to let the plant seed itself in place. You don't want to deplete the seed so much that it affects the local population.